Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can permanently delete your Neopets account. So you used to use a Neopets account to have some virtual pets for yourself, but now you want to delete that account for some reason, but you can't figure out how you can do that. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps to delete your Neopets account in no time. It's a very simple process. You'll do it very easily. So the first thing you want to do in order to delete your Neopets account is open your browser and go to Neopets account deletion page. The link will be available down in the description box. Once you go to Neopets account deletion page, you'll land on an interface like this. Here Neopets will ask you to log into the account that you want to delete, so go ahead and enter the username and password to the account that you want to delete permanently. Once you enter the username and the password to the Neopets account that you want to delete, click on the login button. Once you click on the login button, you land on an interface like this. This is the account deletion page of Neopets. Here, what Neopets will do is ask you to enter your password to the account that you want to delete. So go ahead and enter the password. Once you enter the password, click on the remove my account button. Then you'll see a pop-up asking you for confirmation if you really want to permanently disable your Neopets account. So go ahead and click on the OK button. Once you click on the OK button, your account will be successfully removed from Neopets. So you have successfully deleted your Neopets account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.